MPC Sample allows you to connect smart devices so you can sample straight to the pads using its USB-C connection. Now to do this is very straightforward. Start by selecting an empty pad, then press Sample Record. Here we need to change our input source from the default microphone to the USB-C, which means that the audio from the phone will now go straight to MPC Sample. So all we need to do now is hit a pad and it's waiting for the audio signal from the phone. To end the recording, hit the pad and stop our playlist. So now we hit sample and we hit our pad and you'll see what we've just recorded. We can use our fader to change the volume of our sample. And now we can go into our chop mode to auto slice the samples. We can go from transients, regions, and even manual chopping. If we hit tune, we can now re-pitch the sample. Let's add this over our beat. Using smart devices for sampling is a really fun and creative way to push the boundaries of your production. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I'll see you next time.